Yes, man.
This may not be the valley of the shadow of death, but I am sure it is the pathway right around the corner from there. Pay close attention to the lack of melanin in the leg. White people, I'm pretty sure say I do this for free. For me to do something like this, the value of money that needs to be present has not yet been invented. Them not figure out what they call that value there yet for me to do something like this. I have a serious question for the brother here. What life do you, what happening for your life make you go risk it? Feel free. I do them thing here. I'm pretty sure say, them more than likely have a safety harness. Because if they don't, and you take up for yourself, and tempt death. You see when you catch your brother? Yeah, you know that good. It's gonna be a sour end. I barely want to go across the famous flat bridge. I'm maybe take up myself. But I go walk on this here footprint bridge. Eh? As I said before, the value of money for me do something like this has not yet been invented. Yeah? The zero them still account. And it account and I go on and account and account. Because you know I get to do them a thing here for free. Just because I want to have fun. And I want to feel a rush. The only rush me care to feel if somebody later them tell me to hurry up. Me not even take the first step yet. Just looking at this I know say me drop off. I know. Me they all the way down there so with the rock stone them. Me see it already. Just lean up. Don't know what's a rough in a feel like, brother.